Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about a option in MS Word. Actually particularly on computer, not only particularized in MS Word. As you click a right button of your mouse on your computer desktop, then you will get a option personalized. This is above Windows 10 and above versions. So as you click on that, you will see an option text input. As you click in this, you will get voice typing option. As you click window logo plus H, a short key in any text box, like you are getting text box here like this. I am going to MS Word. You can use this anywhere, like your blogging website or any Google search or anywhere, or Notepad or WordPad, everywhere you can use this. So you just have to click window logo button from your keyboard. That's the second one from your space bar left side, and you just have to click window logo plus H. As you click that, the listening option will be activated and you can see that what I am discussing or what I am talking to you is already recording here. You just can click on this to stop, or you just have to say stop listening, stop listening. So this has been stopped. Again you can stop listening, stop listening. So you have seen this, that automatically the application or that this feature will be stopped listening or writing anything by listening you. So just you have to guys regain, you have to click window logo plus H, or you just have to click on this microphone button, and when you say anything, the text will be written here. Like I am again trying to type something by speaking. Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to use text speech for writing or for typing on MS Word. This is really a cool feature in MS Word, and it's really very cool for any blogger to start his blog, and for quick blogging actually. So friends, for any further information, stay tuned with us, and you just can click here to stop this. So be with us friends. I will be bringing such videos, such many videos again and again on regular or frequent basis. Thanks a lot.